What's going on, everyone? My name's Roszko and welcome to the channel. So today's video, we are going to be taking an early look at the upcoming Yeezy Slide. Now they come out in three colorways: a resin colorway, which is an olive. There is a bone colorway, which is just bone white. This is the Dessan colorway, and it's a tan. Comes in the Yeezy box, just says Slide, and then the sizing tag on here is just the same, no boost. And this one just says Dessan for official colorway. Now, before we dive into it and take a look at the slides, I do want to let you know that this video is sponsored from Sole Premise Backpacks. Yes, so this is their commuter backpack. Best sneaker backpacks in the game right now. I absolutely love these bags. Quality on these backpacks are awesome. You have the nice quality zippers, the nice gold hints on it. I absolutely love it. I actually use these backpacks for traveling, but you can fit in the commuter backpack, you can fit 2 pairs of sneakers in here. So if you use code Roszko, you can save yourself 30% off. I'll put the link down below in the description for you guys. And we also got a pair of kicks in here. So these are the 350 V2 Citrons, and this is the giveaway. Yes, I will be giving away a pair of brand new Yeezy 350 V2 Citrons. This is the non-reflective dead stock. This giveaway is because we hit 25,000 subscribers here on the channel. You guys have been showing me so much support this year. I want to give back. Here is the rules to win a pair of Citrons. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me over on Instagram, and then down in the comments, just tell me what sneaker you are looking forward to for the rest of 2019, and then put your Instagram handle right there so we can double check. Now the winner will be picked on Thursday, November 14th on my live stream. Every Thursday I go live on YouTube at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we will pick a winner. And here you go. Now let's go in to these awesome slides. Alright, now let's take a look at the slides. These slides are not for everyone. When these first got posted from Ye on Twitter a while ago, it was that blue sample version of this, and everyone trashed them because of how minimalistic it looks. But for me personally, you know, being a fan of the Yeezy brand, they're worth checking out. For a retail price of $55, I had to check them out, and I like them. They're super comfortable. I like the style of it, just because of how big and bulky these are. Now, what really took me by surprise is how light they are. When I first saw these and got them out of the box, I thought they were gonna be like more of a heavy, dense rubber. These are extremely light. I think basically these are ADIDAS cloud foam slides that are designed by Yeezy. Very minimalistic, as you can tell. Very minimalistic. There's like no branding, which is typical of Yeezy. The only branding there is on here is that it has the ADIDAS 3 stripes on the heel, and then it does say Yeezy on the top underneath the slide. I like the sole in the bottom of this, like the ridges. I think that's pretty neat. Again, this is meant to be worn outside, so this is not like a house shoe. This, I think, would be more of a fashion style. I saw Ye style these, and that's exactly how I styled it for this video. You know, you can do that classic look with the, you know, tuck the sweatpants in the sock vibe. I think that looks all right with these. For me personally though, I think you should style them as like Birkenstocks. I did see Ye style these the same, wearing workwear pants over them, so I think that's the vibe. Now this is the Dessan colorway. It's tan, as you can tell. I would have liked to seen more darker tones with these, maybe like in solid black or a dark gray. I think that would look nice. I'm not mad at this. This is a nice first run. Again, super affordable, 55 bucks. Now comfort level on the slides, like I said, they're like kind of like ADIDAS cloud foams. You put your foot in it, your foot just sinks. I think they're super comfortable. They definitely take a little bit of wear to break them in, just because they come a little bit stiff. Now sizing, that was a big question I got from you guys. Go half size up. I feel like these slides fit small, so my 350s, my 500s, my 700s, I always go half size up. So that's what I did with these, and my foot just fits perfect in the slide. If you have wider feet, you might need to go a full size up. Now, there's no set release date for these slides. I do expect them to be releasing before the end of the year. Towards the end of November, maybe mid-December, I do think these will drop. So it's good to see something for 55 bucks, very minimalistic. I think these are gonna be widely available. They are gonna come out in kid sizes, I believe, because I did see Kim post a video putting the slides on her kids. These are certainly not for everyone, but that is my video for today. So let me know down in the comments what your overall opinions of the Yeezy Slides. Is this going to be a cop or a drop for you? I also want to wish you good luck on the Citron giveaway. But hey, like always, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.